David Mokaya, a 24-year-old Moi University student charged with falsely publishing information that President Ruto was lifeless, walked out of the Milimani law courts a free man. Principal Magistrate Carolyne Nyaguthii acquitted the young man on Thursday after finding that the state failed to prove its case. In her decision, the magistrate found that the state acted unlawfully in seizing his electronic gadgets without a court order. The judgment coming a day after activist Mwabili Mwagodi was freed on bond in a similar matter, raising questions about how investigators handle digital evidence. Ode Francis reports.
Head bowed, mask draped across his face, finance and economics graduate David Mokaya waited to hear his fate after standing trial on suspicion of posting an image online falsely depicting a deceased President Ruto. But it wasn't long before he was able to breathe easier, stripping his face off the mask after Principal Magistrate Carolyne Nyaguthii declared the prosecution had failed to establish a case against him.
Having excluded the unlawfully obtained evidence and finding no independent proof linking the accused person to the impunged publication, this court finds that the prosecution has failed to discharge the burden of proof beyond any reasonable doubt. Accordingly, the accused person is hereby acquitted under Section 215 of the CPC.
The court heard that Mokaya's electronic devices were searched without a valid court order. Investigators claimed to have obtained authorization, but no such documents were ever presented before the bench.
Indeed, the investigating officer in his evidence conceded to the same. Even the witness from Safaricom, who was PW5, conceded he had extracted the accused person's personal data and shared with the DCI officers without any formal court order.
The magistrate ruled that the examination was unlawful, stressing that cybercrime prosecution must be handled with strict adherence to the law, given the fragile nature of digital evidence. 6 witnesses were called, but none could conclusively link Mokaya to the alleged publication.
The judgment today has affirmed as being a state-captured investigation whereby the investigators in this country took it upon themselves to conduct illegal investigations.
Mokaya's lawyers threatening to sue for malicious prosecution. Activist Mwabili Mwagodi was on Wednesday released on 500 personal bond after facing similar allegations of publishing false information on social media. Prosecutors had sought to detain him for 7 days to allow forensic analysis of his smartphone. The court declined, ruling that continued custody was unjustified. The back-to-back decisions sparking debate on how cybercrime cases are prosecuted in Kenya, especially in an era where free speech is under increasing threat. Ode Francis, Citizen TV, Nairobi.